I know you've seen this chainsaw everywhere, okay? And now it's here. This is what you're looking for. I'm gonna tell you a couple reasons why you should buy it and why I think it's a great deal. This is the Vevor 12-inch 25cc chainsaw. As you can see here, it comes with everything that's on the table. It comes with its own container to mix your gas and oil mixture, your bar and chain cover, obviously your bar and chain, a few tools, all the tools that you're gonna need for this chainsaw, a funnel, 2 pairs of earplugs, your pouch to keep all your tools nicely organized, and of course your instruction manual. I already assembled it off camera. I installed the bar and chain. Super simple to do. This is not a how-to video. This is a review, so I'm not going to show how to do that. If you're looking at this video, you most likely already know how to do that. If not, you can always look that up on YouTube here as well. This is where you adjust your chain tension. This nice easy access screw. You also have your on and off switch here. You have your choke right here. If you unscrew this, you're gonna expose your air filter and your spark plug, so you'll have access to both. On the side of the chainsaw, you're gonna have your gasoline fill port and then your bar and chain oil fill port. You have your primer and obviously your pull to start, your safety and your throttle, and then of course your chain brake right there. There's your chain brake enabled, disabled, ready to go. So I haven't started it yet. Right now we're gonna give it a couple we're gonna prime it, choke it, give it a couple pulls, and then start it, because we are going to take that little tree down right there. That little sucker, I hate that thing. That thing has got to go. So this beauty is gonna help me do that. I also forgot to mention this tiny little chainsaw actually has some dogs on it. That's pretty funny. So there you go. It also has a nice dogs right there. So let's go ahead and get to it, baby. Now we're gonna turn it on. I already primed it, I choked it, the switch is on, so let's go ahead and give it a go. Okay, there you go. Now it kind of burped, so now you put the choke all the way in and give it a couple more pulls. Okay, give it one more. There you go. Perfect. We're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and attack that tree. I turned on the switch. It's on. It's already warm, so we don't have to choke it or prime it. The chain brake is activated, so let's go ahead and start it. There it is. So we're ready to go. go, baby. I like it. Man, I know this chainsaw is in your shopping cart, bro. Just buy it. Just buy it, bro. If you want to feel like a ninja, or what was that game they used to play when it was like a bunch of fruit and you're just slicing and dicing? That's how this chainsaw is gonna make you feel. It's gonna make you feel like the man. Nah, but all jokes aside though, this chainsaw is amazing. It works great. It was nimble. It did the job, man. I love it and I'll recommend it 1000%. There it is, guys. So my first impression of this chainsaw, it is amazing, man. It's tiny. Look at this thing. It's 12-inch bar and chain. It's a small little chainsaw, but it packs a punch. Awesome chainsaw. If you want yourself a nice, strong, powerful, and a great price chainsaw, this is it right here. It's very intuitive. All the controls, everything you really need as a homeowner, maybe even a professional. I'm gonna be using this for a while, you know what I mean, so I can see the longevity of it. But so far, it is a beast, man. This thing is tiny, but it packs a punch. And you even have a hoop, just in case you're gonna climb with it. You can hook it onto your belt or whatever the case may be. But this thing is awesome. If you want to go ahead and get yourself one, go ahead and check the link, click it. It's 93 bucks, I believe, shipped. There might be a deal on it, and if there is, you might get it cheaper. So check it out. Vevor 12-inch chainsaw, top handle.